Welcome back to Digital Futures Education. We're going to go over the top 5 characteristics that at least I'm looking for with an IT support person. The first one is customer service and the ability to understand the issue or the problem that's really happening. When people are thinking about getting into IT, I think one of the first things that they do is they overthink the amount of technical knowledge or certifications or additional technical experiences that are needed to really provide high quality customer service. And any program that you're in that's training you to become an IT specialist or someone who's working on the front lines of IT should include a lot of reminders around the value of good customer service and making the customer happy, and also prioritization of tasks. So it's important to understand that if you're coming from another field that involves customer service, there's a lot of transferability of skills. And this is often the area that people have the biggest opportunity to showcase to an employer in interview stages in a way that's genuine and can show what they bring to the organization. The ability to write an email, reply properly, be friendly, be open to suggestions, be easy to work with, collaborative, provide support, follow up with people, all tremendously important. And it's my very first, and it's for me it's the very first skill that I'm hoping to see. Of course, there are additional and very important skills, but it's the first thing that I need to see in order to feel comfortable that someone's going to be interacting with, whether it's a customer or a client or a teacher or anyone who's looking for tech support. The second biggest skill or skill set that I'm looking for with an IT support technician is the ability to troubleshoot and diagnose a technology problem